Tech Skills and ppsc. Welcome to an extraordinary journey into the world of artificial intelligence, where machines mimic human intelligence and unlock endless possibilities. Healthcare, finance, transportation, and robotics. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing industries worldwide. It enables machines to learn, reason, and make decisions, transforming the way we work, live, and interact. Expert AI encompasses a range of techniques that allow machines to process large amounts of data, learn from patterns, and improve their performance over time. It includes areas such as machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. Footage of machine learning algorithms in action, with visualizations of data processing. Machine learning is a subset of AI that empowers machines to automatically learn from data without explicit programming. It enables algorithms to detect patterns, make predictions, and gain insights from vast amounts of information. Natural language processing focuses on enabling machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language. It powers voice assistants, chatbots, and language translation systems, making communication between humans and machines seamless. Computer vision enables machines to see and interpret visual information, just like humans. It empowers applications such as facial recognition, object detection, and autonomous driving, making our lives safer and more efficient. Robotics combines AI with mechanical engineering, enabling machines to perform physical tasks with precision and flexibility. From industrial automation to healthcare assistance, robots are transforming industries and augmenting human capabilities. Researchers and innovators worldwide are pushing the boundaries of AI, exploring its potential to solve complex problems, accelerate scientific discoveries, and address societal challenges. Artificial intelligence is an ever-evolving field, with limitless opportunities for innovation and growth. Join us as we continue to explore the wonders of AI and unlock the potential of this extraordinary technology. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest in AI and join the AI revolution.